Hi, welcome to the Home Membership family. I wanted to provide you more info about our new member price lock and our home maintenance plan. These are great additions to your home warranty, and I'm going to explain why. Our new member price lock allows you to lock in your warranty price so it will never increase. This is huge because most companies increase their warranty renewal price each year, including us. But you don't have to worry about that if you sign up for our new member price lock within 30 days after closing. Plus, by signing up, we're going to send you 12 months worth of furnace filters for free, which is a $96 value. How do you sign up? Simply click the link that is provided in your email and it will take you to our secure online checkout. If you have our $550 plan, we will begin taking $45.83 out of your account each month, so you're paid in full at time of renewal. If you decide at renewal time you don't want to renew with us, then any money you've paid in is fully refundable. So I always recommend signing up for the price lock now so you don't have to worry about an increase in price next year. And if you decide you don't want to renew, you get 100% of your money back. I also invite you to check out our home maintenance plan, which is a great addition to your warranty. Most people aren't aware that home warranties don't cover routine maintenance you should perform each year on your home, and warranties won't cover certain items that aren't properly maintained. Our maintenance plan secures your warranty coverages and helps to maintain the operating systems in your home, which will reduce your monthly utility bills. Our maintenance plan includes things like HVAC maintenance, dryer vent cleaning, locksmith service, smoke detector battery replacement, water heater flush, Wi-Fi performance service, and more. Keep in mind, these are annual services that are included in the price, and they all have a $0 deductible. Also, let's say you've had a home maintenance plan with us for 7 years and you decide you want to sell your home. You can contact Home Membership and we will send you a certificate showing you've had 7 years continuous home maintenance, and this can be added to your listing, adding tons of value to your home and a potential buyer. So in closing, I recommend, to save you money, definitely take advantage of our new member price lock and get the 12 months furnace filters for free. And to help maintain the value of your home and reduce monthly operating costs, consider adding in our home maintenance plan. I hope this information has been valuable and we look forward to servicing you as a member.